How to transfer Apple gift cards to your PayPal account. Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily transfer your Apple gift cards to your PayPal account. So first thing, just make sure you cannot directly transfer your Apple gift card to your PayPal account. So we need a third-party application or software or website through which we can transfer your Apple gift card to your PayPal account. So first thing first, simply head over to your website called Apple gift card and make sure you log in with your details, credentials, and this is where you actually buy the Apple gift card from. And once you buy Apple gift card from here, I want you to go head over to visit this website called cardcast.com. This is our third-party website. And once you are in here, what you can do is sell your gift cards. Sell your gift cards by typing your store name here over here and typing the balance for it, and you can see the option called get offer here. Once you click on get offer from here, it will be directly transferred to your account, your PayPal account, to bring it from here. So you can also set up your cash payment option to your PayPal account from here, the cardcast.com, and that's exactly how you can easily transfer your gift card to your PayPal account from your third-party website called cardcast.com. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.